welcome on Vedantu. This is the probability that we are going to do. I hope you all are aware about what is probability. Probability is a very simple thing, and it's a kind of a thing which comes in your daily life. Yes, like something will happen or not happen. Tomorrow you will go to school or not. What are you thinking right now? Are you thinking you are not going to school tomorrow? So that probability is what? 1, because you are sure you will not go to school tomorrow. But what is your parent thinking right now? They are thinking, no, I will send him to school tomorrow or her school tomorrow. Yes, and now there is an equal chance. Either you will win or they will win. Yes, so either they can push you to go to school tomorrow, or you can push back yourself and say, mom, my stomach is aching, I will not go to school tomorrow. Yes, and that situation will be what? It will be 50-50. Is it what? This is probability. Okay, so we'll do this probability. My name is Jimmy Ahuja and we'll do this thing, but today we will be doing not that so much of interesting things. School going things we cannot do because those are not asked in our paper. Yes, it's not related to our exams, but yeah, that question can come in your real life and it can be twisted in a lot of sense. That's a chance, you know. Some people can give you, like, suppose your sister goes to school, will you go to school? Yes or no? So what are the chances now? Now you think what is happening? You are dependent on someone else. If your sister goes, you have to go. If your sister does not go, maybe you have to go or you will back off. You will say, I'll not go. So now you are depending upon your sister's choice to go to school or not. I hope you understand this point. So this is how probability is being twisted and modified. And just now in this we are going to learn about some basic ways of getting probability. Okay. So let us consider, okay, suppose this coin tossing. Let us consider coin tossing. So what does a coin does when it flips? It comes either a head or a tail. Yes. So you can have a tail or a head or a tail. Tail or a head. Yes. Now in this situation, if I ask you what are the chances that heads comes up, you will say, sir, 50-50, because it's 50% chance that this can come up. Yes. So what is the chance? 50%. What is the chance that tails comes up? 50%. Yes. So what we see is that 50%. Okay, tell me one thing, what is 50%? Is it 50%? Is it equals to 50 by 100? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. It is 1 by 2. So what is the probability that a tail comes up? 1 by 2. What is the probability that a head comes up? Is also 1 by 2. So how you can find that formula so that you can use it? So how many things you want to come up? One thing. Either you want a head or you want a tail. So this is your favorable outcome. Favorable outcome means what you want. And what is number 2 denotes? It denotes the number of possible outcomes. Either one head or one tail. So there are total outcomes. Yes, total possible outcomes. Fine. This is just for a single coin. But what happens if you are tossing a coin and your sister or brother is also tossing a coin? What will you do then? What will be the outcomes? Let us try to understand that thing now. Okay? When there are 2 coins that are being tossed. Remember, there are how many coins? Okay, I'll stand here. 1 coin this, 1 coin this, and they're going to toss up. Let's see this. Oh, see this table, you see? What this table tells us? This table tells us either on first coin a head can come, okay, or the other coin head can come. First coin head, the other has a tail. First is a tail, the other is a head. The first is a tail, the other is a tail. There are 4 possible ways. Yes, yes they are. But how will you write them faster? How will you find all the 4 ways? Head, head. So your sister has got a head, you also got a head on tossing the coin. Your sister got a tail, you got a head, kind of situation. So you can do it fast if you do it like this way. 2 head, 2 tails, head, tail, head, tail. See how easy it becomes. All the possible outcomes just directly without finding it exactly and tossing. Are you tossing a coin? Hey, don't toss a coin right now. It's okay. We will see only these possible outcomes. Okay. So this is a simple 2 coin toss outcome. Let's do one question now. What is the probability of getting exactly 2 heads? So you want what? Exactly 2 heads. Just see. Okay, I will make the table again so that we are happy. So 2 coins are tossed. So 2 head, 2 tail, head, tail, head, tail. Fine. So what do you mean? Both are head. You want exactly 2 heads to come up. So you want this to come up. Correct? This thing to come up. 2 heads to come up. So what are your number of favorable outcomes? How many are your favorite outcomes? Only 1, because there is only one way that 2 heads can come up. So favorable outcomes, number of favorable outcomes. Is equals to what? Only 1. Yes. And what is the number of total possible outcomes? They are 4. Yes. How many they are? They are 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is the probability that exactly 2 head comes up? It is 1 by 4. Do you all understand this? Number of favorite, number of total possible. Yes. Simple, easy questions. I hope you all understand that thing. Let us do one more question. A coin is tossed 2 times. It is the same or doing 2 coin toss, sorry, tongue twisters. 2 coin toss at the same time. Okay, either you toss 2 coins at the same time or you toss single coin 2 times. They both are the same thing. They both have the same possible outcomes. Head, head, tail, tail. Head, tail, head, tail. So basically either you get 2 heads, head, tail, head, or tail, tail. Now what they are saying, find the probability of getting at most 1 head. At most means maximum 1 head. If 1 head even is not there, we are good, we are happy. So but more than 1 head is not allowed. So what are the favorite outcomes? So at most 1 head only. This can be taken up. This can be taken up. Oh, this can be taken up. Why? Because it is said at most. So maximum, minimum is not defined. Minimum 0 can be. Yes. So there are 3 of them. So take probability that at most 1 head is there. What is the probability? How many are your favorite? 3. What are the total? 4. Yeah, it's easy now. 3 out of 4. Done. Let's take. Okay, one more thing. If we wanted 3 coin toss, then 3 coin toss. Oh, sorry. See, if you were wanting 3 coin toss, what will happen? I'll do it for you. I'll do a 3 coin toss for you. Okay, let's understand this. It's easy. I'm telling you the trick now. Listen, there are 3 coins. Okay, where is the eraser? I got the eraser, just a minute. Okay, there are 3 coins, C1, C2, C3. Okay, so you have got 3 coins and you want to do what? You want to toss them. What are the possible outcomes table? Just read this. Do like this. 4 head. Now 4 head. 4 tails. 2 head. 2 tails. Then head, tail. Head, tail. Simple. I hope you understand this point. Head, tail, head, tail, head, tail, head, tail, head, tail. And it's done. Now do you think that the outcomes of, so this is the common table. The question was not directly that way related, but I told you the table so that you can remember how to write it. Yes. A coin is, Amit tosses a coin 3 times and gets tail each time. Do you think that the outcomes of next toss will be a tail? Do you think the outcome of next toss will be a tail? If you toss 3 times, what can happen? The next time it can be a tail, it can be a head. It's not sure. So we are not sure. So do you think that next toss will be a tail? No. It's equiprobable. What is the word? It's equiprobable. What does this mean? That it has equal chances that either a head can come or a tail can come. Let us take the next part. This is not for this. I told you to, and remember, when 3 coins are tossed, what has happened? Sample space. Oh, the cards have come up. So let us do card problem. I hope you all have seen cards. Magician use them many a times. Yes. Okay. And what happens in this card problems? You have sets, or we call it suits. Like you have 4 different kinds of cards in it. Okay. I'll show you all the cards. These are the 4 types. One is called club. It has also a simple, that thing is not drawn here. This is also that. Okay. Fine. So this looks like this. Clubs, heart, spade, diamond. Clubs is black, spade is black. So altogether clubs are 13 cards are of clubs, 13 cards are of spade, 13 cards are of heart, and 13 cards are of diamond. So if someone asks you how many are black cards, yes, you are correct. 26 black cards are there. How many are the red cards? 26 red cards are there. And what are the total number of cards? Total number of cards. They are 52. You add all these, you will get 52, correct? So in that situation, let us try to understand one more thing about these cards. And this is the kinds of cards where you have seen faces. See this queen, jack, and this king has face. Yes. So these are called face cards. Okay, because they have faces. Every card suit, like you have spade or club or diamond or heart, every card has 3 cards of face cards: king, queen, and jack. King, queen, and jack. Remember this thing. Okay. So altogether, how many face cards will be there? So 3 face card that, 3 face card there, 3 face card there, 3 face card there. 3 face card in clubs, 3 face card in spade, 3 face card in diamond, and 3 face card in heart. Yes, and total will be 12 face cards. Yes, remember this, very important. Okay, they ask you. Most of the time they keep on asking you, so don't get confused. Okay, I hope you can see this image. This image is like totally, oh my god. So these are A, 2, 3. A, actually there is no 1, so we call it ace card. What we call it? Ace card. Okay, we call it ace card. Then number cards are there, and then you have the face cards: king, queen, jack. Kind of. Every set has 13 cards. I have just shown you that. Let us do a problem. Okay, let us do a problem. Oh, it's kind of a very long problem, but we don't worry, we will find it. Okay, let us read the problem. The king, queen, and jack of clubs are removed from a pack of 52 playing cards. Okay, 3 cards are removed. They are playing with us. They are playing cards with us. Is it? They have removed the king, queen, and jack of clubs. What is a club? A club is a black card. Remember this thing. Let's start problems. So let us do, when you find the probability that the card is, I am going to do with a simple questions, and then I'll do the top questions. They are kind of tricky, you know. Okay, a king card. When you take out, you get a king card. I am doing the F problem first. You want a king card. How many king cards are there? Total 4 kings are there. In every set there is a 1 king. Yes, but remember what has happened? 3 cards are gone, out of which 1 was a king. So now how many kings are left? Only 3. 3. And what are the total number of cards? No, it's not 52, because 3 cards are gone. So your total cards have reduced by 3. It has become only 49 cards. Okay, so what do you say? If how many king cards are there? 3 king cards out of total 49 cards. Let us do the next one. A heart card. Have they touched the heart card? No, they have only touched the clubs card. So still there are how many hearts? 13 hearts. So you have 13 by 49. Fine. Let us do the next one. A red card. Is a club a red card? No. So club cards are there. How many club cards I told you in the beginning? 26. Yes. So they are 26 by 49. Yes. Now take up the next, a black card. Here is the trick. You have 26 cards, and out of those 26, 3 cards of the clubs which are black were removed. So how many are left? 23 cards. 26 minus 3. 23 black cards are there. Correct. A spade card. Has any spade card been touched? No. They are not. So how many spade cards are there? 13 spade cards. So write 13 by 49. A diamond card. How many diamond cards are there? 13 diamonds are there. No diamond was taken off. So again 13 by 49. A club card. So see, there were 3 club cards that were removed. Total there are 13 clubs. So 3 are gone. How many are left for you to select? Only 10. Yes, you are right. So 10 by 49. See how easy you can do it. You do not need to see that picture again and again because you have remembered how many of them are there. Yes? Let's do the next one. And now we will do the trickier ones. When you select a card, it is neither a heart, it is nor a king. First find how many are heart and how many are king. So do this opposite. I'm telling you. See, how many hearts are there? 13 hearts are there. How many kings are there? 4. But there is 1 king already gone off. So only 3 kings are left. So how many cards you do not want? 16 cards. 16 cards you do not want. You do not want a heart. You do not want a king. So what do you want? What is your favorite? Out of 49 cards, you do not want 16 cards when you select. So what are your favorite? This will be 3 and 3. 33 cards are your favorite. So what are the chances that you pick a card and it is not your this 16 cards? 33 is, so any out of 1 out of 33 will be done. So 33 by 49. Because these are your favorite cards. Nah? 16 cards are not your favorite cards. Let us do the next one. Neither an ace nor a king. Do like that only. How many ace are there? 4. How many king are there? Although there are 4 kings, but one is not, initially it was out. So there are only 3 kings. So what are the total cards you do not want? 7 cards you do not want. Out of 49, you do not want 7. So how many cards you like? 42. So what is the answer? 42 by 49. Yeah, you can reduce it by dividing it by 7. You do it and tell me in the comment box. Neither a red card nor a queen card. So you do not want a red card. How many red cards are there? 26 red cards are there. How many queen cards are there? 4. But 1 is already out. So there are only 3 queen cards. So 26 plus 3. 29 cards you do not want. Out of 49. So how many you want? 20. So 20 by 49. Correct? Let us do the next one. A black card or an ace. So how many black cards are there? 26. But you have removed clubs, which was also black. So 3 gone. How many left? 23. How many ace are there? 4. But the problem is, in black you have already counted 2 aces. Correct? The black of clubs, the ace of clubs and the ace of spade. So there are only 2 red aces left. So 23 plus 2. This is a very good question. Okay, remember this. So 25 by 49. And this is the last question. What this says, either a heart you get or a spade. How many heart? 13. How many spade? 13. So total 26 by 49. I hope you have understood how you will do the card problems. Yes, remember this thing so that it helps you every time. Take an image of it, take a screenshot and remember this. Okay, I'll just go out of this so you can take a screenshot. This will help you to remember this. Okay, so I hope you have understood it. Let's do this kind of problem. This is a real life situation when you have a blood group to select from. Okay, so there are A blood group people. What is your blood group? Do you know that? Ask your parent if you do not know that. A blood group is a very important thing. You should know that. So blood group A type, there are B type, there are O type. And then they say there are 200 people, 50 have A type, 65 have B type, 70 have O type, and 15 have AB. AB is a combination of A and B. If you want to select a person from this group, and what is the person that he is a O blood type? This is very simple, you know. How many O blood group type people are there? Number of people, person having O blood. How many of them are there? See this. Okay, this is this 70. How many of them were there? 70. How easy it is. How many are the total persons? 200. So total are how much? 200. So what is the probability that you get a O blood type person? You know O is a very common blood group. So O is also called a universal donor. He can donate blood to anyone. So if you are O blood type, you are universal donor, you know. And this AB is kind of a universal acceptor. He can accept from anyone. Any one blood group can give blood to AB group people. Okay, remember this is a very important question, real life problem. So what you get O blood type, what are the chances? 70 by 200. So it is 7 by 20. This is the chance of getting this is about 35% chance that you will get a O blood type, because O blood type is the maximum. Okay, they are maximum. This is the highest number of chance. So I hope you have understood this. So this is how probability is related with the real life. It's become more complex when you will go to higher classes, and this is all maths, isn't it? So I hope you have enjoyed the session. I hope that you have literally understood what is probability, how you relate with your real life. Yes, and if you have, thank you for being here, and in the next session we'll create situations when we meet again. Yeah, bye.